Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Scentsy Whiff Box unboxing for the month of November. And sorry if you hear Raylan in the back. She's just always loud. A very berry holiday. You always get like a little insert like this. And looks like these are festive table place cards. Oh, that's cute, so you can bend them there so they stick up. And so that's just a little insert. Doesn't really like go over what's inside or anything like that. And here we are. And the box is really heavy this month. I'm not sure what this is yet, but we'll get to it. So the bars I have this month, this one is Huckleberry Reef. It smells pretty interesting. Then we have Cranberry Garland. Ooh, I like that one. Kind of smells like cranberries and like a little bit of like a Christmas tree scent. And then Very Merry Cranberry. That was an older scent from when I used to sell many, many years ago. And yeah, that one smells nice. So those are the bars. So I think every month you get 3 bars. I'm pretty sure that's what I've gotten. You also get a couple, either 1 or 2 of these, it seems like. And these are just little testers. You just pop them out and put them in your warmer. So it's just like a sample of wax. So we got Candied Cranberry Pecan. And this one is Pretty in Plaid. You can kind of smell them through there. This one smells good. I mean, they both smell good, but that one I like. So we got that. Let's take a look at this. Gosh, it's heavy. Winterberry Apple Tea Scentsy Soak. Winter Tea, Cranberry Apple, and Honey. So it feels like a powder, and it's 2 pounds. Let's see what it says on the back. So it's essentially kind of like a crumbled up bath bomb mixed with like Epsom salts and pink salts to help muscles relax. And you just add a desired amount in when you're running your water. And soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Interesting. I'm not sure that I'll use it. I guess I will. I'm just so used to filming the bath bombs, but that's really cool. That's a new product that I haven't seen from them. Also got a soap. I got one of these last month of different scent, obviously. But for as small as these look, they actually last pretty long and they smell really good. So this one is Cranberry Intensil. I'll go ahead and put that one upstairs now since it has a little Christmas decor. Of course, I already have my tree up, all the kids' presents wrapped, and I'm way ahead of the game. And then the last ones in the box, we have a couple little samples. One is Clothesline Laundry Liquid, and this one is Soft Scent, which I think is, yeah, fabric softener, which I typically don't use, but I'm going to throw that in with like towels or something and see if it gets some fragrance because I like that. It smells really nice. And this is just sample, so 1 use only. But I like this subscription a lot. You can get it every month, every other month. You kind of customize it how often you want it, which is really nice. So if you guys would like to sign up for one, I'll put a link below, the girl that I buy from. And I think she made a party link for me. So if you guys want to order anything, feel free to use that link. And all that information is in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.